Hello, learners. Welcome to the certificate course on parenteral nutrition. I'm your course instructor, Apurva Rao. A little bit about myself. I've done my BSc in food science and nutrition, specializing in dietetics, and I've also pursued my master's in the same. And along with that, I am a UGC NET assistant professor. So let's get started about what we will be doing exactly in this course. So looking at the modules, these are the ones that we will be focusing upon. So starting off, we have the introduction to parenteral nutrition, followed by the indication goals and the different types. We will then move on to administration and management of parenteral nutrition. And then we'll understand what exactly is refeeding syndrome. Then moving forward, we'll go into the components of parenteral nutrition and the nutrition components that we see in it. And then we'll understand how to deliver, what are the complications, what are the different kind of formulations you find, and also what exactly is transitional feeding. So this gives us a brief overview of the course in itself. So let's move forward and understand and do an in-depth analysis of each of the modules. So in module 1, we'll be understanding where we'll be just introducing the topic. We'll learn about the indications where nutrition support is needed, what exactly is parenteral nutrition, and how did it come into being. So the history, to be more specific. Moving forward in module 2, we have the indications, goals, and types of parenteral nutrition. So when is it appropriate to use? What are the different goals? What are the types? And what are the specific indications for total parenteral nutrition? Moving forward in module 3, where we are going to look at the administration and management. So we'll first be understanding how exactly you administer parenteral nutrition. Then we'll get into the details of how venous access is done. What is the care and management for all these vascular accesses, and also how to minimize the risk of catheter-related infections. Module 4 will be entirely on refeeding syndrome. So we'll first understand what it is, and then we'll also understand who exactly or what kind of patients are at a risk of refeeding syndrome. In module 5, which are the components, we'll understand the different components and also what are the constituents when we're looking at typical parenteral nutrition solutions. Module 6 will encompass the different nutrition components. So over here, we are going to go into how is the selection of macronutrients done, what is the micronutrients requirements, and what are the different kinds of parenteral formulations that can be done, and you also see it in the market. Module 7 is all about delivering. So we'll understand the routes, what are the system involved, and also what is the duration when we are delivering parenteral nutrition. In module 8, we'll be understanding about the complications. So first, what are the limitations as well, and then move into the complications. Module 9 is all about how to formulate. So we are going to understand how exactly a parenteral nutrition formula is designed for and the last module is all about transitional feeding. So over here, we are going to understand when to stop parenteral nutrition and when to get back to the regular feeding. So this brings us to the end again in the course. Thank you.